How to fix Google Play game not signing in problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Google Play game not signing in problem. So guys, for this there are three steps. So first is that make sure that your internet connection is on, and the second is you have to go to your phone settings, and then you have to go to install app or app manager. Here is it. And then now guys, you have to search for Google Play games. So just click here, and then you can see here a force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK. I have already did, so I'm just showing you how to do. Now you can see here storage. Click on storage, and then you have to click here clear data, and then you have to press OK. Now go back, and you can see here app permission. Click on app permission, and you have to allow this. Now go back to the settings, and then you can see here about phone. Click on about phone, and then now you have to press on system update. You have to press it on system update and wait for a while and see whether there is anything available for update. You have to update it, and then after updation you have to restart your phone and reopen your device. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.